In May 1845, the British Admiralty launched the most confident and technologically advanced Arctic exploration in human history under Sir John Franklin. This massive expedition featured two legendary bomb vessels named HMS Erebus and HMS Terror, which were heavily reinforced with iron to smash polar ice. A hand-picked crew of 129 elite sailors set sail with enough advanced canned provisions to last for 3 whole years. By the late months of 1846, disaster officially struck as both unstoppable ships became permanently trapped in the thick ice near King William Island. The desperate crew watched in horror as the brutal polar temperatures dropped to 50 degrees below zero and the ice refused to melt away. On June 11, 1847, the expedition suffered a devastating blow when their veteran leader, Sir John Franklin, tragically died. Captain Francis Crozier took full command of the frozen ships, while a hidden deadly enemy was already spreading among the helpless crew. The 3-year supply of canned food was poorly soldered with lead, causing toxic metal poisoning that slowly drove the men completely insane. The severe lead poisoning caused terrifying mental hallucinations, extreme physical weakness, and the deadly bleeding symptoms of advanced scurvy. On April 22, 1848, the remaining 105 survivors officially abandoned the ghost ships to walk across the ice. The freezing British sailors attempted to drag heavy wooden lifeboats filled with useless luxury items across hundreds of miles of frozen wasteland. In their final horrific days of absolute starvation and madness, the desperate men turned on each other and resorted to cannibalism to survive hours. For over 150 years, the ultimate tragic fate of the Franklin expedition remained the greatest mystery in British maritime history. Dozens of historical rescue missions discovered scattered human skeletons with cut marks on the bones, confirming the dark tales of the local Inuit. Then in September 2014, a breakthrough occurred when Canadian search teams using advanced sonar discovered the sunken wreck of HMS Erebus. 2 years later, in September 2016, researchers located the second missing ship, HMS Terror, resting perfectly preserved in the deep Arctic water. The pristine condition of both historic shipwrecks, with their logbooks and artifacts still intact, has officially reopened the mysterious files of this dark Arctic case.